Hi, my name is William Altman. I'm the Director of Cyber Threat Intelligence Services here at CyberCube. And I'm here to talk to you today a little bit about what CyberCube has been up to with regards to the PRA cyber stress test scenario. It's here. We've had 2 injections to date, so let's dive right in. This scenario outlines a systemic supply chain ransomware event, and it impacts the manufacturing sector specifically. The threat actor in this case is a fictitious one called Malicious Bravo. The threat actor gains access to a major software provider, in this case, Company Alpha, and compromises its software build environment. There's really clear parallels in this attack to the Jaguar Land Rover incident that we actually saw in the real world last year. Both events show how social engineering and identity compromise can be the entry point for major attacks. They also show how disruption can occur without direct OT compromise that can still take down that type of an environment. We also see how single point of failure technologies, in this case, we have the software made by Company Alpha with JLR. It was actually JLR themselves serving as a single economic point of failure. Both are different, but related in that we really see how systemic risk is triggered by simultaneous disruption across an entire sector, and how recovery can really be complicated by extortion and information integrity challenges, as was the case in both events. So we really see that the PRA is coming in here with an event that, again, is fictitious, but realistic and grounded in what we've seen in the past. So we know that it's important for our clients and for the market to prepare for an event just like this. And at CyberCube, we're well practiced in helping our clients navigate these types of events, both in real incidents and simulated tabletop scenarios, just like the one we're in the middle of. Our cyber aggregation event response service is specifically designed to support clients in live events, as well as these tabletop exercises, enabling rapid assessment of exposure, aggregation risk, and loss drivers to support key decision-making under pressure. That's what we're here for at CyberCube. CyberCube CAERs is your go-to resource for event response. We'd love to talk to you more about it. We're looking forward to the next PRA injection, find out more about how this event ends soon, and I'll be back here to talk with you soon. Thank you.